Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap. So guys, first of all, a very happy Diwali to you and your loved ones, and I wish that this festival season brings with it a lot of joy and prosperity for you. So guys, now coming to the point, the agenda of this session is, guys, the point is, on a daily basis we had been receiving a lot many queries regarding a specifically designated course for descriptive English. Now, understanding the point, there are many aspirants for NABARD Grade A Phase 2 descriptive English part who do not belong to the generalist stream. There are aspirants who belong to other streams like mass communication, IT, legal, and many such so. Now, for these students, for these aspirants, ARD and ESI would not have helped them. But descriptive English is one part which is common for all the aspirants out there. So this video is for you if you are a non-generalist student. Now guys, we have, it's a good news for you. Now, on the basis of your request, although it is quite late, you only have about 8-9 days for your exam, but still it is a lot of time for you if you want to prepare for it. So we are launching a designated course for only descriptive English with evaluation. So this is what students were asking us, sir, do you have any course where you can cater you can cater only descriptive English mock test, not ARD and ESI. So this is for you. Now guys, in this course that we are launching today, we are offering you 5 full-length mock tests with detailed evaluation. So let's look at the course offerings. Number one, the first and the most important thing is 5 full-length mock tests with detailed and thorough evaluation and feedback will be given to you. So you can take 5 mock tests, and the USP of this is the simulation of the interface of the exam. The interface that we are going to give you to take your mock test, that is exactly similar to the interface that you are going to face in the exam. And the simulation of 90 minutes, 3 questions, so that will give you a cutting edge. So 5 full-length mock tests exactly on the pattern of the exam. The marking scheme is exactly on the pattern of the exam, and your answers will be evaluated on the same. So 5 full-length mock tests on the interface of the exam with thorough evaluation and feedback for each and every question will be given to you. Second point is list of probable essay topics. Now you definitely would be looking what are the potential topics for this year, right? So we have given you a thorough list of potential topics which will help you, or which will give you the right context of preparing for the the topics that you are looking for this year. Third is fodder material for essay topics. The fodder material that you need. See guys, I have seen students running from pillar to post at the last moment, looking for stats, looking for updated data, reports, schemes. So all this has been done by us for you. So there are 3 batches of fodder material where we have compiled, I think, more than 60-70 topics for you, which are relevant for your exam and which are very important considering the current affairs and the ongoings that have been happening around us. So all these essay topics along with their detailed information have been provided to you in the fodder material, which is constantly updated for you. And last but not the least, now value added video lectures for essay writing, for précis writing, for letter writing, and for reading comprehension have been provided to you in the course. Now after you watch these videos, you will understand what are the basic fundamentals of essay writing, what are the do's and don'ts of précis, how to frame a précis, then what is the structure of a letter, how to draft a report, and what are the key components of all the compositions that you are going to undertake in the exam. So these are the 4 key offerings of this course: 5 full-length mock tests on the interface of the exam, on the simulation of the exam with evaluation and detailed feedback. Number 2 would be a tentative list of probable tentative topics. Number 3 is the fodder material that you need to prepare for your essays. And last but not the least, value added lectures. So there are lectures, video lectures that have been recorded by me for you. You can watch them anytime. And these lectures are on essay writing, how to write frame an essay, what should be the structure of your essay, what are the different different dimensions that you need to discuss in an essay that have been discussed in these videos. Then RC is not usually asked, but it is still there. Précis writing and letter writing and report writing is also there in the course, so that you can watch and learn what you need to perform or how you need to articulate your answers in the actual exam. Right now, the peculiarity of this is the validity of this course is only 1 month, because the exam is on 19th. So the validity of this course is only 1 month, and we have only limited number of seats for this because we cannot entertain more than this, right? And just to cater to the students who do not belong to the general stream. This batch is launched for those aspirants who do not have any source to prepare for. So there are only limited seats. 100 students would be able to enroll in this. The price of this course is rupees 5,000, but see, considering the festival offer, we are offering you flat 50% off on this. So use this coupon code selection, capital selection, and get 50% discount on this amount, and you can get this, you can get benefited from this course. Now, one thing to remember, this is not a part of your gold package or silver package if you are already an enrolled student for EduTap. Because in your gold or silver package, we have already given you mock tests, we have already given you video lectures, but there is no evaluation in gold or silver pack. But in this, what extra is given to the aspirants? Now, that is why we are calling it a separate program, a separate batch. This is not part of any existing combo packages. Now, we are providing you 5 full-length tests with their detailed evaluation. That is the key component. You'll get to understand where you stand today, where you need, how much you need to score, and what are the areas you need to improve upon. That is what every student looks for. So this is going to be a game changer, and I'm sure you'll get benefited after enrolling into it. And please understand, all our combo packages, they have video lessons, they have mock test, but there is no evaluation in that. Student has to self-evaluate, and this is the biggest challenge for any student if they do not know where do we stand. So this is what we are giving you in this course. We are offering you evaluation along with the feedback of your answers. So I hope you've understood the relevancy of this batch. Right, so come get benefited. The link for this course has been given in the description of the video. You can scroll down and you can click on the link and you can get enrolled in this batch. You can also look at the offerings and the feedbacks that the students have given us for our other batches like this. So before we end, the copies, there are some keynotes that you need to remember. The copy shall be evaluated by concerned faculty member only. Nobody else will be looking at your copies. And personalized and detailed feedback shall be given for each question. For every question, every paragraph, every sentence, every word you write, the feedback will be given for it. And last but not the least, no copy shall be entertained after the last date of submission, that is after 1 month. So the duration of this course is only 1 month, and the number of seats is limited, that is only 100 students. So do not wait, hurry up, join this course and start preparing for your NABARD Grade A Phase 2 Descriptive English for the year 2023. So thank you so much once again, guys. If you have any further doubts, if you have any further queries, please feel free to contact us on this number during the office hours, that is 8146207241, or you can also drop us an email at hello@edutap.co.in. And if you wish to visit our website, that's our address, www.edutap.co.in. So I wish you again all the success in your endeavors ahead. Keep on working hard, keep on giving your best, and I'm sure you will always come out with flying colors. So all the very best. Happy Diwali to you once again, and happy learning. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.